So in my course, there are so many faculties which not only just focuses on the syllabus which they have given, but they also provide different opportunities. For example, there are journal club where we'll not only discuss the research papers, but we'll also give our insights and inputs. So recently, the DSU has organized one hands-on workshop where we got to learn a lot about how to do docking, how to do protein structure, ligands and all. So this was directly organized by our company and they came here and collaborated with us.
So labs have all the instruments that are needed for master students. Most of the centrifuge machines, and we have even the different types of centrifuge machines and different microscopes that we use for different experiments. So the labs are equipped in such a way that we don't have to worry about anything else.
So we'll also get the inputs and insights from different faculties from different departments. So this will give a very good opportunity where we can learn new things, not only like the ideas which I have in my mind, but I can collaborate with my co-fellows or with the different department students.
During our orientation itself, we had one of our faculty member had arranged a webinar from one of the professors from New Zealand who was actually talking to us about rDNA technology, which gave us the idea as to what we are getting ourselves into joining SBAS.